True Jamaican vibes for Reid. So I'm in Burn Savanna, St. Elizabeth. One lane them call Pump House Lane. This is where the reservoir supply a lot of places in St. Elizabeth. So big up on yourself, my people. The whole of the place mash up, man. A lot of people lose them roof. Or 99% people lose their roof. So if you can reach out to the family members them and give them some support, they really need it. So please assist them in any way you can. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm just saying, no. I'm telling you, it's a good way, so. The firefighter. Yeah, man, the whole place mash up the people. Also. Yes, my wonderful people. You want to talk, man. If you want to say something, you say, because I'm being funny, you want to say, ah. So go on, see something you say, it's just that me like say. Go on, see something. No. I don't want to hear anything here.
All the fruit trees gone.
They see it, every fruit trees, they see that. Roll over there so much. Roll over. Yes, me inside the whole in the place so much. I was in the panel, I didn't save a look panel, so if that chip out, you know, every tap record. Watching number, so I'm start. Yes, my people. Burn Savanna in a shambles. Well, we can speak to St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth. Bread basket is down. What's it? Go ahead, Dave. You must tired now, man.
Sure. What time I go?
Where
Another time.
so you go?
What me I go?
Hey, what's my work now?
Now girl over here.
How will you work up a yard for you do?
Me I come out man. One girl give me some water. Him bound me if he come help him fix up in folk because we can't get no water. Water me come so.
Alright, my boss.
Me I shell it down. It's right.
Yeah, man, we talk here.
Yeah man.
Yes, my people, you know, say I time my morning with the chopper rail area. I get a little sun and the camera, you're gonna see a little glaze in the camera, so you don't know where you go. The place smash up there, man. Everybody I feel it. If you like, then you open the car trunk. You want the water missing chip this morning. It's so no. Yeah man, say if you don't want to Airbnb, if you can stay and you can come stop up and running the same way. Yeah man, so they can come book in a room if you don't want some place to stay to the family. Yeah man, see, well, phone service is down. It's 876-466-3871 Burn Savanna guest house. Yeah man, so them up and running on the generator and things, so support the business. Each one help one. What's it? It is. All I burn Savanna mash up people. All I burn Savanna mash up. All I burn. I ain't hear you. Don't hear a thing. Cause I want, you realize it? You realize the whole of on this side and no GPS there, no touch. If you realize.
I just the people they know.
The workshop. Some bad money. I workshop man. Some bad money man. That's mash up people. Burn Savanna Sports Complex. So we're at the Burn Savanna Sports Complex area. Now do more than 10 minutes. Yellow pen. Okay, I stuck. What is the last name?
Over here, sir?
Killer Bean!
Yeah, the 12.
We're not looking for that. Yeah, man, we are in the Orange Grove area. So thanks for watching, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Reid.